So I did not cover this part, I just left it open on the left side and on the right side too. Hello my friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. As you guys have been seeing my videos and I have been talking about setting up my car so that I can enable it, so that I can sleep inside my car during the camp. So right now the time has come. By the time you would be watching this video, I would be already spending my time in the woods. I'll be camping. So you should be seeing more videos from the place where I will be camping and the hill which I'm going to trek. Alright, so in this video I wanted to show you guys my one last project in which I'm already halfway through. So as you know, it is winter this time of the year and the nights are going to be very cold. So the place where I'm going to be camping, the nights are going to be like 17 degrees centigrade. So it's going to be very cold. So I had to come up with this plan of window shades. I have been actually thinking to buy the Reflectix from Amazon, but I wanted to prepare my own window shades first and see how it's going to work. As I said, I'm already halfway through in this project. I have actually, traced the window shape and all. I have also bought some material to prepare these window shades. Let's look at the window shades, how I'm going to prepare them. Okay, let's check this out. Alright guys, what you're watching right now are brown sheets, nothing fancy. I have bought them from a stationery shop. So what I'm going to do is, as I already said, I've already traced the exact shape of all the windows of my car. So I'm going to cut more of those shapes and tape them together so that it can be strong enough and so it does not tear off while using it. So I'm going to quickly show what I have done so far. Okay, this is for the back mirror. I still need to cut it and bring it to a shape. You can already see there is a shape here. I don't know if the camera is capturing it. So all I need to do is I just need to cut it and then retape it again so that I can make it strong enough. So as I said, I've already made few templates. This one is for the front two mirrors or the front two windows. So I'm going to cut more pieces of these brown sheets as per this template and stick them all together. Okay, and this one is for the middle row. Okay, and I got this one for the last row. Okay, so I have all the necessary templates so that I can quickly cut them and then tape them together, and we'll be good to go. So let's begin that process now. Okay, so what I've done so far is I have cut totally 4 pieces of this brown sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape 2 sheets together for one side of window. Okay, so I am done taping both of these wind shades. Alright, so they are good to go now. So I'm going to work on the other wind shades. Alright you guys, here's the finished product. So I've created a set of each template. This goes in the middle row, this goes to the front row, and this one goes onto the rear mirror. Okay, so let's go and put them on car right now. All right, you guys. After putting everything onto the windows, this is how it is going to look. I'd say it has perfectly worked out. So the template which I took from each and every window has actually helped me out a lot. So this is how the finished product is going to look. Okay, so I did not cover this mirror just to have some cold air come inside, so that it can compensate to the hot air inside the car and keep me toasty in here. And the windshield, I'm also going to cover that with a reflective, which I have actually bought, which is right there. Okay, so I'm going to use reflectix to cover my windshield during the nights, and hopefully it's also going to be useful during the daytime, just to reflect the heat. Let me also show you how it is going to look from outside. This is the rear mirror. There you go. Alright friends, I hope you have liked this video. So this is the setup which I am going to use during the nights, just to keep inside of my car warm. So in the next video you will be definitely going to see me camping in the woods, and I also have decided a place to go and trek. I'm not going to reveal that right now. Okay, I'm not going to reveal that. So you guys will definitely see me trekking and camping in the woods. I have lined up more awesome video for you guys, so I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel. So this is all I have got for you guys in this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.